Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great. It is Tuesday. We're all getting ready for Thanksgiving. I hope everybody has an awesome Thanksgiving. I'm going to spatchcock this turkey. I have never done one before like this. I have done a chicken, but we're going to take it a step up. We're going to take and do it in the Yellowstone 17-inch, the So Wild, So Angry one. Should work perfect for it. So we'll get this cut up and we'll get everything started. Alright guys, got it spatchcocked. I'm about to flip it over. First I'm going to season this side, and then we'll get it arranged in the pan. I'm going to take and put some potatoes down on the bottom to keep it from burning the very bottom. This thing was a heck of a lot harder to cut than that chicken. Alright guys, this is what I've got going on in the 17-inch skillet. I've got the potatoes, I've got some sweet onions up on top. I'm going to take and season the inside of the turkey and then put it in here, and then I'll season the outside. We'll be right back. Alright guys, there she is inside the Yellowstone 17. I took in, on the inside, I used the rib rack spice rub for chicken. And then on the top, I used the Southwest Kick and the Sizzling Citrus from Lodge. And then because it's, Thanksgiving, I added a little bit of sage to the top. So we'll put this in the oven at 450 for about 2 hours. It should be ready to go. Alright guys, she is out of the oven. Everything's good. I checked the temperatures. It's running between 175 and I think there was 178. Everything looks good. Got a little crispy on top, but that's not a big deal at all. Ended up going at 425 for an hour and a half instead. You can see the steam coming off of it. I did drain some of the juices out of the pan, but I'm going to let it cool down. We will take and get it chopped up, and then I'm going to take and put the meat up, and hope everybody has a great one. And if I don't see you or hear from you before, hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving.